Good morning, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. This morning we're going to take you on a brief walkthrough of the 2019 Grady-White 235 Freedom. This particular boat we ordered in Coastal Fog gel coat. Notice up top we do have the retractable sure shade, which is manual. This boat equipped with a 300 Yamaha 4-stroke. Step aboard, I'll show you some of the great features on the 235 Freedom. First thing you'll notice when you come aboard, the nice walkthrough for a 23-foot boat. You have the starboard side sink here, which is an option. Flip up bench seat. You have a fish box and a live well aft. This boat's equipped with the 2 Command Elite helm seats with flip up bolsters. At the helm, we let the customer choose their electronics. Port side over here, you have your head. It's just a handy head pump out. Moving forward to the bow, you have fish boxes under both sides here, as well as a large bow seating area for a 23-foot boat. Thank you for watching this video. We're always open at MarineMax.com. Thank you.